Alright, what's up everybody? Today we've got another project car. Going to be building a rally car for the Tennessee Gambler 500. Some of it's off-road, some of it's on public roads. But this is the car I picked up for it. It was really cheap, so I didn't really look at it too much. Just pretty much paid the guy and loaded it up, took it home. It did come with the full swap. It's right here, engine, transmission, and everything. It's a D16 Z6. It is an EX car, so it's got rear disc and all that. But I came down here to start working on it and really got to looking at this damage here. And the guy I got it from, it was smashed in so bad that he couldn't get the engine out, so he actually just cut it out. He cut this mount here, cut that mount right there, and he cut the T-bracket, cut the shift linkage, just cut everything out, and just drug it out of there. So I knew it was going to need, some welding, making the mounts and everything. And I kind of figured I would just chop it off and just do a simple tube front, be done with it. But when I actually got to looking at it, the frame's actually buckled right there, and the shock tower has been scooted back. You can see a couple inches, and there's not even a gap down here to get the master out of there or anything like that. So it's all crooked, and this whole wheel's smashed back and everything. I figured I wouldn't be able to get this done in time because the race is September 21st, so I've got just a little bit over a month to get the car ready. So instead of fighting with this for the next couple of weeks, I went ahead and just picked up another car. So this one's a 99 4-door EX. It's in a lot better shape. It hasn't been crashed up here. Still got all its mounts, nothing's cut. It has been sitting outside for a while, so it's going to need, some little things replaced here and there, like slave cylinder's probably going to need replaced. I'm sure I'll find some other things as we go through it. But needs some cleaning. It is kind of dirty. Door smashed in right there, which doesn't really matter because this car is gonna get beat up pretty bad in the woods on this rally. But it is a lot more solid of a shell to start off with. So I'm gonna be putting the engine and trans that came with this car in that one. So the engine I'm going to be running is an OBD1 engine, and this is an OBD2 chassis. So there is going to be a couple like conversion harnesses that I'm going to have to buy and stuff like that, but for the most part that engine will just drop right in that other shell. The plan for the car though is pretty basic. Just going to use this one for an example. But it will be a little bit harder on a 4-door since the door comes all the way back to here. But if I can figure out a way to make some sort of a spacer for the suspension, I'm going to do that. But if not, I'm just going to cut the whole quarter out. But yeah, I've got a set of 29-inch tires my buddy's going to let me borrow. And I'm going to mount them on the stock Honda wheels. Same size wheels, so mount them on there, and then since they're 29s, we're gonna probably gonna have to cut all this out, and maybe cut some of the door out too. I don't know. We'll have to get the tires over here and see how big they really are. In the front, I'm probably not even gonna run any fenders. Probably just gonna take those off and more than likely I'm going to put some spacers on it also, so it'll pull the tire out of the wheel well a little bit. Since I have that new chassis now, this car is actually a part out. So if you're local, if you're in the Chattanooga, Tennessee area, you need anything, just hit me up, comment here, hit me up on Instagram, whatever, Instagram or Facebook page. And just hit me up, let me know what you need. But yeah, today's pretty much just an introduction video to the next project. And like I said, the race is September 21st, so I've got just a little bit over a month to do this. So it's not going to be something like the death cart that gets drug out for, you know, a year and it's still not done. This should go together pretty quickly. Either that or I won't make the race. So next weekend we'll start the build, and hopefully at the minimum at least have the engine and transmission set in the chassis. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like, and we'll leave this video off with some street riding on the 50s. Y'all have a good one. Peace.